Hi guys, another video, and I would like to show you my airplanes that my dad bought. This is my first airplane. This is my friend showing his dad my airplanes. So here, look, this is one of my airplanes. Looks pretty nice, doesn't it, guys? This is actually a real airplane. It's a really nice one. See, real. I'll show you another one. This is another one. All this stuff inside here. Remote stuff. How we use that. That. There's another one over here. Jose. Okay. Jose, we can get on there? Yeah. So look, this is another thing. My grandma just said we can get on there. This is our another. Yeah, this is our another one, guys. So this is inside. Look, you can get these here. Say. What the heck was that?
I know.
Well, that's. Yeah, that's our stuff. Peace out, guys. So you might know the plants. And these are actually mine.